Hello again, this is the second video to show how to do GPS navigation on our cell phones. This is the newer application, and some of your phones may have that old one, some of them may have this one. What you're going to do is go ahead and click on Apps, and instead of the blue triangle, what you're going to look for now is this one that says Maps, and it's this little G for Google. The icon doesn't stand out as much as the last one, but it could show up anywhere in your apps, but let me see if I can bring it closer. That's the way that it looks, the Google Maps one that you're going to be looking for. I'm going to go ahead and click on that. And it's a little bit different home screen in that it's actually showing my physical location right now with that little blue dot. And there's a search box you can click on and type immediately in. It also has the voice activation feature of the last one. And to get there, you're going to click on this little arrow icon up here, and it already finds your location of where you're at currently, and then you're going to choose destination. So I'm clicking on choose destination. You can type it in, or right next to it is this microphone icon to let you speak it. Liquinox. And it found it very quickly. So from where I'm at now to Liquinox, says 17 minutes, 6.6 miles, shows the route. You just click the blue triangle again to start your navigation to take you there. With this new feature, this new application, it actually has something really cool that can save you a lot of time. Let me exit out of this. And to use the new feature, you're actually going to go in Outlook, while I have my computer on here, and you're going to go to your contacts, which if you go down here in the lower left-hand corner, got your mail, but you also got contacts, all the contacts you have in your computer. And you can take a day, you know, if you have a lazy Friday, to input all the fertilizer firms in your area, or at least the ones you visit quite a bit. So I'm going to go into Extra View real quick and go to Reports. I'm going to find the fertilizer firms in my area. In this case, I'm going to use Dan's list. I'm going to use his OIM list. There it is. And I'll just pick a firm at random to enter into my contacts list. I'm going to use this one here, this Dynamic Pastures. And I'm going to just copy the street address here. And it's in Camarillo. It doesn't list the zip code, but I don't even think we'll need it for the navigation. So I'm going to create a new contact. You don't need to enter the person's name or phone number. You can if you want, but for this I'm just entering in the company, Dynamic Pastures, and then we want to put the address in, mailing address. So I'm going to paste the street. We know it's Camarillo. And then state, California. And then let me get rid of this. And then I'm going to save it and close it. So now if we search in contacts, Dynamic Pastures should show up. There it is. Okay, now here's what's really cool. So if we back out of this application and go back to our home screen, we've got our contacts in People right here. If you go into People, it'll bring up all the contacts. I'm going to search by D and scroll. Let's see if it worked. Dynamic Pastures right here. This is the one I just added. There's no wires connecting this at all. It just automatically puts it into your cell phone. It's magic. Dark magic. Okay, so now I clicked on Dynamic Pastures right there. All you need to do is click on the address. And it just gave directions to Dynamic Pastures in Camarillo. So if you take the time and enter in your firms into your contacts, you'll automatically have them on your contacts in your phone, and they'll automatically take you there. And then once they're all programmed in, there'll be little icons within the screen showing where other places are at. So if we went to Dynamic Pastures, it'll show icons that let you know there's other fertilizer firms in the area, so you could visit them if you have time as well. Pretty cool little thing. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope it works out for you. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks.